morning. You can continue, Shruti.
ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ.
ನಾನು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ 22-23 ಡೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3 to 4 ಪೇಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 4 to 5 ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಆ್ಯಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಈ ಥರ ಏನೂ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮದಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ನನಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದರಿಂದ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಇದರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇದು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Ma'am.
Good, Shruti. And how much time you are putting up daily on Sukshmas for participating in beyond any other activities, Shruti?
ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಗಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಾವಾ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಸರ್ ಜಾವಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ BK ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾನು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ 11 o'clock ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ನ ನಾನು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮದಲ್ಲೇ ಕಳಿತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಅವರಿಂದ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಂತ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. ಭಾಳ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ನಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ.
Okay, good Shruti. Any other points if you want to put up, you can put. Any other issues or anything else like that?
ನೋ ಸರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, UPSC ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, BSc ಕೂಡ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಇಷ್ಟೇ.
For BSc and all, like definitely we can begin if your friends are there. If they are into BSc like information technology and all, they can easily participate in computer science only, engineering computer science, because the content will remain the same. And if they are into BSc of some other subjects like mathematics or something like that, that you can let us know. We will just check it out what we can do.
Okay sir.
Okay, thank you Shruti.
Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you Shruti.
Welcome sir.
Shravya, you can take over. Shravya, like what are the things you have learned and what are the issues you are facing, you can tell us.
I think it's almost it's been more than I think almost around 1.5 months since I've joined, and I've had a great experience. I'm learning quite a lot of aptitude. So now whenever there's like mock placements and all happening in college, I feel quite confident to attend them. So I'm really finding this helpful because even when I'm not commenting, when I read somebody else's comment, and especially when I'm the mentor, so when I'm trying to understand people and how they're trying to comment, so that way I am reading more comments and reading different possible ways in which somebody can understand the given problem. And especially these days I try to do a lot of problem statements. So that's why I also try to post in the question area, I try to post problem statements. So when I get solutions, I can see the way people have analyzed the problem different from how I have. So that might help me getting a better complexity or something like that. So I find this really helpful.
Shravya, as a mentor, what do you want to suggest all the participants, in their activity point of view, or in like whatever the like either in forming question, either in answering questions? What do you, as a mentor, what do you want to suggest them to improve whatever
So,
actually they are doing as of now?
sir, actually, in the comment part, actually, I still feel a lot of people, in the in the question part more than the quiz part. In the question part, I feel most of the people still just copy from Google and paste. So I feel that is really not that helpful, because that happens when somebody posts a question that is a little off syllabus. So to attempt, because for those kind of questions there will not be many comments, so just to answer comments like that, they try to copy paste it. So that is quite dominant in the question area. I feel a lot of people are still copying and pasting comments, so I feel that can be stopped. And a few people the new participants these days are just mentioning like 2-3 lines of answers. So I think that is one more thing that can be improved. But
If I will ask you like how you can, what you can suggest all the participants, how they can avoid exact copy paste, what should they adopt to avoid that part? Like what should be their strategy while doing the answers, like especially in the question segment?
we can start by while posting questions, if the questions are related, a little related, I'm not telling completely should be within the syllabus, but few questions are really off syllabus. So when we don't know the concept, we can stick on to the concepts that we know, at least that we will be attempting new stuff. And when we are trying to learn new stuff, we can at least search for those concepts and understand and type it. And instead of just copying and pasting, I think that can be made known to people, calling them on general meetings and telling them that this is how it is supposed to be done. I think that can be done. And maybe if that is, I mean, not with the new participants, but when the old participants, this is actually the point that I'm noticing with a lot of old participants also. They've been in the game from quite a long time, and still a lot of people in the question area, they just copy paste. I mean, it is not even in the reply section. In the reply section is still fine, but in the comment section only they copy paste. So I think for those people, if it is told strictly that you're not supposed to do that, then the new participants will understand. Else it will be just taken for granted, I feel.
Yes. Yeah, this is an one important point. Even this thing is being monitored by us also. So this point what Shravya has mentioned, all of us, I think we have to be strict on this. And this happens, as she is saying, mainly into the questionnaire part. And there it is happening because maximally there is a theoretical questions. So in that regard, I will say one more adding to the Shravya's point, syllabus, off syllabus, and kind of thing. See, it's not mandatory to comment every question whatever you get on your wall. Okay. Anyway, in a day you have to do officially you have to do only 2 comments. Okay, you can do 3 also. So it's your choice which question you want to answer. So select the question very properly which you want to answer, and whatever the question you select, there you put your efforts. Do not, definitely take the help from internet. You just do your research do your whatever the R&D part is there, and after that try to form it in your own way. Whatever the either you read from W3 schools, or either from Java T Point, or any website like that. So try to conclude your points in a very simpler way and then put up into this Sukshmas. Okay, anyway you have to hardly do 2 comments in a day. So at least those 2 comments, make sure you should do it in such a way it should give you some benefit. If you will take it as a copy paste only as it is, then definitely it's not going to give you the complete benefit of that answering the question. So this thing definitely we have to improvise on a daily basis. And as a mentors, whoever the mentors are there, they have to start being little strict onto this point, and slowly we can keep on connecting into the journal meetings, and we will keep them informing in this regard. Okay, yeah, Sindhu, we can move ahead.
Yeah, thanks, Shravya. Thank you. Okay, then Pooja, you can tell the feedback and what are the issues or other things related to the ongoing.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so good morning, all. Well, I'm glad to be part of it. From the past 3.5 months, I have learned a lot about like coding and how to analyze the questions. And before that, never used to understand how the problem statements and how to solve them. So after playing here, I learned something about how to code and how to analyze the questions. And during this lockdown, we are missing our academics a lot. So this platform is like bridging all of this. So before, as a player, I was just before being the mentor, I was just used to play normally, like framing the questions from the websites, copying sometimes. But after mentor, I have changed. I have changed how to frame the questions and all, like preparing my own questions and analyzing the questions in and commenting differently. So this is all how I analyze this. As a mentor, when I start to review other questions, and I can see how differently they all answer and how differently we can approach those questions. So it was a nice experience as a mentor. As a mentor, I can just suggest them to not just copy paste in the questionnaire part, but instead they can creatively answer differently so that the others can understand the topic in more than one way. With just copying, it will not help others how to understand the question. So this is something I would suggest for the new players. That's it, ma'am. I have no issues till date. That's it.
Okay, thanks, Pooja. It was well. And
Thank you.
Priya, you can tell us your feedback and other things. Like you are being a weekly mentor as well. Like what is the changes you have seen like before and now? You can tell on that.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. First of all, I would like to thank Sukshmas and also our mentors. And because in these days, because of Corona, we never do anything like to improve our knowledge or etc. We just spending a lot of time in social media. That means like Insta and Facebook all, and especially me, I spent a lot of time in Instagram only, about 3 months. And yes, I not gain anything apart from time pass. And yeah, I learned a lot from Sukshmas, like codings. And I can't able to express how it helped me to learn a coding. Here we have learned many students, and they all have a different state of mind. And yeah, it's a good platform to share our knowledge and to share our thinking capacity to with others. That will helps others too. And it will helps us, and it will help us. And here daily I am solving lot of problems, and like codings and tracing a problem and Opte also. And I learned how to analyze a code and tracing a code. And yeah, it's a good platform to learn and earn as well. So yes, ma'am.
Okay, Priya, it was good.
Priya, in a day, how much time?
Thanks for your opinion.
Yes, Sindhu, you are saying something?
No, sir. Some network
Priya,
issues
how
I
much
have.
time you are spending in a day over Sukshmas these days?
Sir, I'm spending about 9 to 15 hours.
9 to 15 hours.
Yes, sir.
Earlier, this
Actually.
much time you were putting on Insta.
Yes, sir. When before this, I'm at least I spent lot of more time in Insta only, sir. But when I joined this, about 9 to 15 hours I spent.
Okay, it's a very big time of a day. Good, you have if you are able to put up this much time and you are enjoying spending this time, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good, yeah, good, yeah. Yes, Sindhu, you can carry on.
Yes, sir. It's all the students have said about their opinion and give their feedback. I guess you gave the feedback. I think it's like any other issues or any other things you want to tell, you can, guys. Or like, shall we end up the session, sir? or do you want to
Okay.
share something, sir?
Yeah, I think no. What was the important thing was what Shravya and Pooja they have noticed. Yeah, some of the new students and even the old students, they are lot of time are taking the answers from the web as it is. As it is only a problem. Taking the hints and some portions and making it compact, making it more pointed as per the question, and alterations are happening, then it's well enough. There is no need to do any changes. So just improvement is required in that area, and you have to do only 2 comments or 2 questions in a day. 1 question only you have to do, but you are doing 2, it's fair enough. And comments also you have to do 2. If you are doing 3, that's also fair enough. Choose what you have to answer very properly, and then properly answer that. Do not do it as it is from the web. Okay, so it's not neither going to help you in a great way, or neither the one who is coming and reading your answers will help them in a great way. So improvement is required only in that part, and rest you all guys are doing very good. All mentors are doing very good. All participants are doing very good, and I think is everything is appreciable. Karthik sir, you want to convey something? Karthik sir, your voice is not clear.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Fine, Sindhu. Then followed by Rashmi, Tejaswini, or Bindya. If you want to convey some points, you can convey.
Nothing, sir.
No, sir, nothing.
Okay, that's good, guys. You have conveyed your points, and good, Naina, you have conveyed your point. We will check it out what we can do in that regard. In case of overtime taken, we will check it out. But in this point of time, it will remain as it is. But definitely, we'll check it out what we can do best in that regard.